How to fix file is open in another program error on Windows. 1. Use disk cleanup and repair HDD. Note, cleared thumbnails in your system. 2. Empty the recycle bin. 3. End Windows Explorer process and restart it. 4. Enable the turn off caching of thumbnails in hiddenthumbs.db. Files option at user configuration administrative templates Windows components file explorer in group policy, adite.msc. 5. Disable the preview panel in the File Explorer. 6. Disable thumbnails in File Explorer options. And disable show thumbnails instead. Icons in performance options. 7. Modify your registry. Enter 1 or 0 into icon sunlia hkey _current _user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /Explorer /advanced in Regedit. 7.2 Set 0 to disable thumbnails dword at hkey _current _user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /policies /Explorer in Regedit. 7.3 Create a new Explorer subkey at hkey _current _user /software /policies /Microsoft /Windows in Regedit. Then create a new Disable Thumbs DB on Network folders dword in the above mentioned Explorer folder. And then set value data to 1 to disable Thumbs DB on Network folders. 8. 10.2 Hit the leave the home group. Linking control panel. 10.3 Set 0 to system. Is pinned to namespace tree at computer /h key _ local _ machine /software /classes /clsid b4 fb3 f98 c1 ea428 ba78 81 f5659 cba93 in registry editor. 11. Try unlocker. Change your folder view by choosing small icons, list, or details. 13. Changing the index locations. 13.2 Disabling Windows search service. 14. Your file. Plan B, reboot your system and try again, later. 15. Run your Windows in its safe mode, then try accessing your file there. 16. Perform the clean boot. 17. folder. 18.2 Choose properties. 18.3 Go to Customize tab. 18.4 Choose the desired option from Optimize this folder for submenu. 18.5 Enable also apply this template to all subfolders. 19. Use del/hash/s-thumbs.db. Command to remove thumbs.db file. 20. Stop sharing for the problematic folder. 21. Install the latest .NET framework. 22. Try to rename file or directory using the command prompt. Commands include, rename your own problematic _file name here .text new _name .text. Rename cpath_problematic_file problematic_file .text. New _name .text. Or, to rename a directory, rename problematic directory new name. 23. Change your security. Settings by taking ownership. Fast. 24. Change the host.exe. Security permissions by enabling full control access for administrators. Note that you may need to terminate the COM surrogate processes first. 25. Windows Explorer process and use del/f/s/q/ac user's username desktop file.txt command to delete the file. 26. Use Process Explorer or handle. Commands include handle. Output.txt. Handle.exe. See your _file_idp your _process_id 27. 27.1 Disable inheritance for the problematic file/directory in advanced security properties. Note, select choose remove all inherited permissions from this object. Now apply full control access for your username. 28. Unmount all drives via Magic ISO application. 29. Use Task Manager to close the problematic process. 30. Rename the file. 31. Use Ubuntu Live CD. 32. Remove the metadata using the EXIP tool. 33. Change the owner by enabling replace owner on subcontainers and objects option. 34. Copy another file. 35. Make sure that the file isn't set to read only. 36.